Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over an across the floor combo. So this one involves riffs, utilizes riffs. So if you don't know what the riffs are, I would recommend going to my tap step tutorial playlist and going and finding the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 count riff. We don't use any of the crossing riffs, so you wouldn't need 10 through 15, but definitely 5 through 9. And this is a fun one to do across the floor, get your feet warmed up and just get moving. So let's get started here. So usually a riff starts with that step, scuff, heel, the riff part, right? So we're going to change things up a little bit and start with a dig toe. So we like to end our riffs with that dig toe. So we're going to now start the riff with that dig toe. So starting on your, we'll say, let's do right foot first. I'll face this way here. You're going to start dig toe and then 3 count riff. So step, scuff, heel. Yeah, so you're just reversing the order that you do the riff in. Instead of ending with the dig toe, you're not going to be starting with the dig toe. So on your right foot again, dig toe, 3 count riff. And 1 and a 2. Yeah, let's give that a try. A dig toe, 3 count riff. Now from here with your left foot, you're going to repeat that on your left side. So dig toe on your left, 3 count riff. There you go. So put those two together 2 times through, right side, left side. Dig toe, 3 count riff, dig toe, 3 count riff. And 5, 6, 7, 8. And then from here, this is where you're going to put in a little bit of a transition. So you're going to go dig toe. You're going to go 3 count riff forward. Now you're going to go back with that. So dig, spank, heel. And then 3 count riff forward again. To then start it on your left foot. So that transition again is, let's see, we just finished left foot. So transition again is going to start with that dig toe on your right side. 3 count riff forward. Dig, spank, heel backwards. 3 count riff forward. And then you would start it on your left foot. So let me show you the back view of this. So you're going to go dig toe, 3 count riff, dig toe, 3 count riff, dig toe, 3 count riff, dig, spank, heel, 3 count riff. It's a mouthful. And let's give that a try. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig toe, 3 count riff. Dig toe, 3 count riff. Dig, spank, heel. There you go. Try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. Let's figure out left side here. So I'm going to start over here so you can see my left foot. Left side is in the air. We're going to start dig toe, 3 count riff. It's exactly the same thing. And then right foot, dig toe, 3 count riff. And then this is where you're going to throw in that transition. Dig toe left, and then 3 count riff forward. Dig, spank, heel back, 3 count riff forward. So again, left side starts, dig toe, 3 count riff. Dig toe, 3 count riff. And then your transition. Dig toe, 3 count riff forward. Dig, spank, heel, 3 count riff. Okay? So, let me show you that from the back view. So left foot just is up. We're going to start. Dig toe, 3 count riff. Dig toe, 3 count riff. And then the transition. Dig toe, forward, back, forward. Yeah, try that again with me here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done. So let's try to put the two together. Let's see, what's the best way to show you here? Probably across the floor. Side view. So let's start right foot, go into left foot. I might need to turn as I get to the end of my board to finish left side, going the opposite direction, but we'll see. So from here, starting with your right foot, dig toe. Yeah, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig toe, dig toe, dig toe, dig toe. I'm going to turn. Good, nicely done. Sometimes it's hard to get that dig back in there. So make sure that when you go forward with your 3 count riff, that you're stopping here and getting that dig, spank, heel. Okay? Try that with me again. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I did it. All right. I was able to do it without turning. Let's try a little bit faster for those of you who are more advanced here. Let's give it a try. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, nicely done. So these are fun to do across the floor, and then you can even throw in, you know, even more riffs to break it up a little bit so it's not the same thing over and over, but it's fun because it switches sides. So it gets you working on starting both sides, which is a good thing. All right. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion or a step you would like me to break down, go ahead and put them down in the comment section below, and I will try to get them as soon as possible. Again, thank you for watching. If you want to check out some of my other playlists, go ahead and look down in my description box below. I have tap step tutorials. I have across the floor combos just like this one. Lots of time steps, shim sham, and just my choreography combos are really fun to do too to music. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.